Amelia here, back with another video. Today I'm with my cousin Noor.
Hello.
Today we're going to be showing all the different kind of putty she has. She has two lemon, a watermelon, kiwi, dragon fruit, and
orange that I got.
orange that she changed to the color
The other lemon.
green. She's gonna show you how good it is, how good it stretches, how good it pokes. That's what she'll show you. She told me she wants to make the video, so I made it for her.
Yeah,
So show them.
my iPad doesn't have or my camera doesn't.
The first one she's gonna show you is the orange one. She turned into color green.
And then let's show you the poke test.
You guys can hear that. I don't know how to taste
Stretchy.
it. Okay, let me do the next one. The next one I'm gonna show you is the watermelon.
You should see this.
So the watermelon. This one's not that stretchy,
It is poke.
but it is pretty. It's alright. It's alright. It's not that good. It doesn't really
Okay,
poke
on to the
properly.
next one.
Okay, on to the next one. It's lemon.
Okay, so this is the lemon one. This one is very, but you can
Yeah, that one. This one's more pokey. This one's good, right? So on to the next
These
one.
smell very good.
Okay. So on to the next
They
one.
smell like cotton
So on
candy.
to the next one. How many times do I repeat it? Okay.
Let's move these on.
The next one is the kiwi one. Oh, this one's kind of stretchy, better than the other ones. And see the poke. The poke is an important thing.
So stretchy.
Oh, good.
Guys, this is the lemon one that's stretchy so much.
Good. It's good, guys. I love the color green. I love this is like emerald green. I don't know if you can really see it properly. Emerald green. Ooh.
Next on is the dragon fruit.
Next one is the dragon fruit.
And I have another lemon that I'm going to show you, and that's the last one.
Another lemon. I'll show the other lemon.
Yeah. The clear one, the very clear one. You ready, guys? Okay.
Oh, that's a very good one. Oh, this is the best one, guys.
Actually, the orange ones.
So yeah, show them one more time the passion fruit.
So we had to pause because my cousin came in, obviously.
Okay, this is the next one. The clear lemon, the lemon one. This doesn't stretch well. It's ripping a little bit. Yep, see? Let's see the poking test. Jinx. Double Jinx infinity. The return. The return. You can't talk until I say name 5 times. No. 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 I don't know if I should say the last one. Should I or should I not?
You should.
Should I? Is that how you talk? I mean, you know, I don't know if this is part of it, but I'm starting again. No, 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 no. I don't know if I should say the last one. Should I, guys? Should I say the last one? Fine, I'll say the last one. No.
Hello. I'm trying
Which
out
one
the
do you
kiwi
think's
one.
the best?
I'm trying out the kiwi one, guys.
Which
6,
one do you
and
think
this
is the
that
best? The normal lemon one, the clear lemon one?
Kiwi
see.
one.
Wait. Look, see, as you can tell, this is darker. And this
Because I
one's lighter.
pedal that much a lot.
Or the watermelon, the green orange one. Oh my god, the passion fruit, the amazing, the one and only, the fruit. Oh, the kiwi, the emerald green, Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, comment down below which one do you think's the best.
Cheers, squishy.
Say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Oh.